Welcome to Behind the Phrase. Words, expressions, and idioms come to life. Today, we explore the popular idiom "spill the beans." Origins in ancient Greece. Secret votes were cast using white and black beans to represent yes and no. Voting method. White bean equals yes. Black bean equals no. Beans placed in a jar to keep votes secret. The accidental spill. If the jar was knocked over, it revealed all votes prematurely, exposing the secret results. This literal spilling of beans gave birth to the idiom meaning to reveal a secret unexpectedly. Evolution over time. From a voting mishap in ancient Greece to meaning revealing secrets in modern English. Next time someone spills the beans, remember this phrase carries thousands of years of history from ancient Greece to modern English. Thanks for watching Behind the Phrase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more fascinating idioms and their histories.